all, this is Priyadharshini working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we will see the topic classification of analytics, the second school of thought. So we have seen in classification of analytics in the previous class itself, there are two schools of thought. The first school of thought is divided into 4 and the second school of thought is divided into 3. So those that classify analytics into basic, operationalized, advanced and monetized comes under the first school of thought. Those that classify analytics into analytics 1.0, 2.0 and analytics 3.0 comes under second school of thought. Today we will see the second school of thought in more detailed way. So analytics 1.0, as we have seen earlier, it started in the era mid 1950s to 2009. Analytics 2.0 is from 2005 to 2012. Analytics 3.0 is from 2012 to the present. So when we take the statistics used in analytics 1.0, it uses descriptive statistics. So it shows the reports on events, occurrences with the data of the past, that is the real-time data what it has will be reported. Analytics 2.0, it uses descriptive statistics plus predictive statistics. So this uses data from the past to make predictions for the future. When we speak about analytics 3.0, this uses predictive, prescriptive and descriptive statistics. So it uses data from the past to make prophecies for the future, and at the same time it makes recommendations to leverage the situation to one's own advantage. When we talk about the databases used in analytics 1.0, the traditional relational databases were in hand. Analytics 2.0 took database appliances, Hadoop clusters, SQL to Hadoop environments, etc. were in use. When Analytics 3.0, it take the advantage of the in-memory analytics in database processing, agile analytical methods, machine learning techniques, etc. The questions used in Analytics 1.0 was what happened, that is about the past. Analytics 2.0, why it happened, what happened, why did it happen, what will happen in the future. When we talk about Analytics 3.0, it questions what happened, why did it happen, what happens if the same goes on, how can we make it happen. So these all questions will be answered in Analytics 3.0. So when we speak about the data in Analytics 1.0 were internally sourced. Analytics 2.0 used the data that are externally sourced. Analytics 3.0 sourced both from internal and from external sources. So when we take about the data used in Analytics second school of thought, Analytics 1.0 uses only the data from the legacy systems such as CRM, ERP, etc. Or otherwise from third-party appliances. Analytics 2.0 handles the big data. Analytics 3.0, it takes data both from big data as well as from the legacy systems such as CRM, ERP, etc. with the third-party applications. So these are about the classification of analytics. Next we'll see about, there are 4 types of analytics used here. So as we saw previously, descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive. So what is descriptive? So descriptive analytics explains what happened, that is if it uses the present data and questions the answer what happened. Diagnostic analytics explains why did it happen, using the past data or the real-time data what the business organization has. The predictive analytics forecasts the future, that is what might happen. It questions what will happen in the future. The next type of analytics is prescriptive analytics, or we can say prescriptive statistics. This says or it recommends an action based on the current forecast. It questions how can we, it answers how can we make it